May, because we have already given notice to the management that our salary should be paid by the 10th of every month. So
Namar ka jingbam tere jong Chief Managing Director jong ketanat MEeCL bania kren bat ka jing jong NONGTREI jong ke MEeCL bat group bat ka jingbam siu dep ka tulap jong ki ha ka khat sal tere gujiliu kani ka kin hon ka beletip kum ka Coordination Committee of Register MEeCL Employees of Association and Union kala leit bania kendo yo minister badai pe ka tanat pen mi boarding 80 mondel ban pen sngau sha u ka jing bagi kendo Nakaliang nongilam jong ni kekenhon uba arju dekar uloong bawat ke terminal benefit jong ki NONGTREI ke belakot syadu praspa saupau kelurtam ke bedai NADUH senem arjar shipau kat haduk menta 4 syem lasiu satya.
Now we have seek an appointment with Honorable Power Minister. We are very thankful to him for giving us this audience this afternoon at 4 p.m. We met Power Minister and we had a very open discussion, be it the functioning of the utilities, the power scenario in the state, the power purchase, the tariff to the consumer, to the industries, the functioning of the Regulatory Commission. We had a very open discussion because we know the utility to come out of the situation we are in needs a cooperative efforts by each one, be it at the top level until the lowest level of the employees of the organization. We could see that political will of the Honorable Chief Minister and the Honorable Minister Power in charge. As a responsible unions and association, yes, we do have our grievances. We stand here now also telling you that we have not received our salary. We tried to meet our CMD, but maybe intentional, unintentional, he has avoided us, which is very unfortunate. I think as all of you are aware about the corporatization of the then MSCB. We have been talking about the terminal benefits. The amount at that time was 840 crores. Since no bailout package was provided, since 1st of April 2010, the actual valuation has reached a level of 3,276 crores. And all those terminal benefits from 1st of April 2010 till date, till recently, has been spent from the revenue money, which almost cost to around 800 plus crores. So these are the issues where we had a detailed discussion, and the Honorable Minister is very much sympathetic to our discussion, our points raised by us, and he has informed us that the moment the Honorable Chief Minister comes, he will take up this issue, maybe most probably next week, and from that we will move forward. May, because we have already given notice to the management that our salary should be paid by the 10th of every month. So we were supposed to have our protest on the next working day, that is on the 12th. But since the CMD has given us letter on 8th, he has called us for today's meeting, at 1 p.m. But suddenly, half an hour before the meeting, he has cancelled that meeting, which is very unfortunate. We were very hurt by that. But after meeting the Honorable Power Minister, we could see that hope. And henceforth, maybe we will be interacting more with the Honorable Power Minister.